Thank you for choosing Grand Skills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome back to the class. Today is the 25th day of the fishes, and that's from hatchery. And today I'll be taking you on how to sort the shootouts from your pond. So I'm gonna use my kakaban to do that. So sorting your fish, this is how you're gonna use your kakaban. You have to examine where the fishes are, where the bigger ones are, and you put in your kakaban. Okay, so this is it. You can see them. By doing this, you will not have to kill anyone. So you sort them out, and this is a bucket with water. I'm going to sort them and put inside. So this is how you're gonna do it, and remember, whenever you want to stress them up, you don't have to feed them. So this is what how I'm gonna be doing it until I finish them up. So I'm picking out the bigger ones so they don't consume the smaller ones. If one shootout is eating 2 fish per day, so you can imagine when there are 200 shootouts in a pond, they will actually consume 400 fishes in a day. So they eat in the morning and they eat at night, and after that, after sorting, we return them to the pond. Okay. So this is how you are gonna do it until you sort all the fishes out. It's a very simple method and it's good for you to practice. always sort out the shootouts. You can also, if you want to remove them all from here, so it is for you to use your caca band. You have to put the caca band here at the waste pipe, and you open up the valve and you remove the waste pipe inside, and you open here and you put your caca band. So all the fishes will start coming out, and you put the salt, and it's very simple. So let me show you the shootouts. So you can see them. You can see how big they are. You can see how big they are. Very, very big. And you can also see these ones. They have all gone down. So you can see them. They are still remaining. You can see them. So if you want to remove from here, it is for you to remove this one, remove this pipe, and you put your caca band down here. You put your caca band down here, and before you put your caca band here, make sure this one is up. You raise it up, and you open up the valve, put your caca band down, and you bring this one down. So the fishes will be coming out from there, and when they come out, you transfer them immediately into a big basin, into a big bowl, and you use your sorting table to be sorting them one after the other gradually. That's if the fishes are too many. So that's a simple way of sorting your fish. So once again, you can see them. So that is it for today's class. Thank you for joining.
Thank you for choosing GrandSkills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all, so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.